I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter.
Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today I am show you how to add Tubebuddy extension in Microsoft Edge. Let's start. First, open Microsoft Edge and open your YouTube channel. Click Microsoft Edge settings. Click extensions and click manage extensions and click get extensions for Microsoft Edge. Click search bar and search Tubebuddy. And click get button and add extension. Wait a few minutes to add Tubebuddy extension. Go YouTube and refresh page. Tubebuddy sign in required. Click here. Click here this option. Click sign in with YouTube. Select your channel. And click allow. Tubebuddy extension perfectly added. And I am show you how it is work. Select any video. Click show now all video details. Again refresh this page. And Tubebuddy extension is perfectly working. I hope you enjoy this video. like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time.